Have you ever wanted to update numbers on your spreadsheet, but you didn't want to write formulas to do it? Let's say we typed up this list of information and forgot we needed to update the numbers by 5. One option is to do the math in our heads and overtype the numbers on the spreadsheet with the correct numbers, or another option is to create formulas below the list that will add 5 to each number and then have to delete the original list. Or we could do this easily by using the Paste Special feature. I'll type the number 5 in an empty cell, press Enter, and then I'll select the 5 again. Now I'll copy it. I'll press Ctrl-C, and what we've done is we've put the number 5 in Excel's memory. Now we'll select the numbers that we want to update by 5, go up to the drop-down arrow under the Paste Special button, and right at the bottom choose Paste Special. Here in the operation area, we can click Add and click OK. And there you go. All of our numbers have been updated by 5 on the spot. Let's try this again with this list of numbers, but this time I want to increase these numbers by 7%. So we need to multiply the numbers by 1.07. I'll click in any empty cell and type 1.07, press Enter, click back on the 1.07 to select it, and copy it. Ctrl-C. Then I'll select the numbers that I want to update, go to the drop-down under the Paste Special button, and right at the bottom choose Paste Special. This time in the operation area, I'll choose Multiply and click OK. And now our numbers have been increased by 7%. This is such a fast way of updating numbers on your spreadsheet without using formulas. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to discover many more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a thing. And if you'd like information on how to attend one of our courses or speak with someone about software consulting or database support, hang tight and the information will pop up on your screen.